Building MUGEN, fighting game characters with Fighter Factory and have a BAN banner file. This is a character banner image used in M.U.G.E.N games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Fighter Factory Ultimate banner files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn BAN files. A file used by Fighter Factory, a character editor for the M.U.G.E.N 2D fighting game engine. The BAN file typically stores a banner image or logo associated with a specific character or project. Users encounter this when creating or editing custom content for the M.U.G.E.N platform. The BAN file is a proprietary binary format designed to store graphical data for display within the Fighter Factory application. Its structure is optimized for quick loading and rendering of the banner image within the editor's interface, likely containing a simple bitmap with a custom header. For direct reading of BAN content, the best choice is Fighter Factory Ultimate developed by Virtual Tech. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows shows only basic file information, so reviewing real content requires game supporting tools. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your BAN file and select Open With. Check for Fighter Factory Ultimate first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. When your BAN file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, opening in Fighter Factory. Install Fighter Factory Ultimate from the M.U.G.E.N community and load the character project containing the BAN file. The application displays the banner alongside other character graphics enabling editing and preview. Modify the banner using Fighter Factory's image editing tools or replace with new artwork. Next, editing as image. Convert BAN files to standard image formats by exporting through Fighter Factory or using image conversion tools that support the M.U.G.E.N format variants. Edit in Photoshop, GIMP, or other raster editors, then convert back to BAN format, ensuring compatibility with M.U.G.E.N engine requirements. Finally, integrating with M.U.G.E.N. Place BAN files in appropriate character folders within your M.U.G.E.N game directory. Update character def configuration files to reference banner graphics. Test character integration in M.U.G.E.N, ensuring banners display correctly in selection screens and match the character's overall design aesthetic. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.